The real reason to drink lemon water every day. Lemons are a citrus fruit that are rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and other plant compounds that offer several potential health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of consuming lemons. Boosts immune system. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. Consuming lemons can help boost the immune system and protect against infections. Promotes weight loss. Lemons are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help promote weight loss. The pectin in lemons can help reduce cravings and keep you feeling full for longer. Improves digestion. The citric acid in lemons can help stimulate the digestive system and improve digestion. Drinking lemon water before meals can help reduce bloating, indigestion, and constipation. Supports heart health. The flavonoids and other plant compounds in lemons can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. Enhances skin health. The vitamin C in lemons can help reduce skin damage caused by free radicals and promote collagen production, which can help improve skin health and reduce the signs of aging. Aids in detoxification. Lemons are rich in antioxidants, which can help remove toxins from the body and support liver function. Support heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. Help control weight. Lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food, and there are a few theories as to why this is. Prevent kidney stones. Protect against anemia. Reduce cancer risk. Improve digestive health. Overall, incorporating lemons into your diet can provide a wide range of health benefits. However, it is important to note that consuming too much lemon juice can erode tooth enamel due to its acidic nature, so it is best to drink lemon water in moderation and rinse your mouth afterward. Find out the real reasons why lemon water is the best beverage to drink every day.